press record. All right, baby. What's up, YouTube? Isaac Trade here with an update on AMC, Bitcoin, and Doge. After doing some research, I think the hedges are selling out. Now, before I get into what my theory is here on this, why don't you do yourself a favor and subscribe to my channel and smash that like button, baby. Okay, now let's get into this. I believe the hedges are selling out of our top growth stocks and assets like Bitcoin. Okay, now sounds like some tinfoil. I know it sounds crazy, but hear me out now. Okay, with the short interest being so expensive, I believe they are doing this to cover their borrowed shares. Now, this is not a recommendation anyway, okay? This is not a recommendation to buy or sell any asset, but to add to your watch list, okay? I'm not telling you to do anything. You do your own DD. Don't be lazy. Look at some charts, fucking, watch some videos, listen to some random guy on YouTube, okay? It's not that hard, okay? Okay. This is now this is just a rumor now, but I think this is why the bond sold off. Okay, remember when the bulls sold off? That was wild, remember? Okay, this is all connected with AMC and GameStop. All around their greed and short position and whatever else manipulation they got going on. I mean, because come on, bro. We can't lie. We can't be like, oh, nah, man, what they're doing, it's legit. I mean, they're following the rules. Nah, man, they made their own rules up, man. We had a playbook, and we're like, all right, cool, man. This is what we're gonna do. This is how it's gonna be done. And then they came out and said, well, then they didn't even say nothing. They just came out with a whole nother playbook, and they were like, well, this is what it is, and that's what it is, and this is what we're gonna do. And yeah, and we're like, what? Nah. Okay, so they are still up to. What the manipulation they are still up to, man, it's wild. Okay, all I want you guys to know is that I'm still holding. Okay, I've got a long position in this, and I took up a short position. Okay, well, the short position, after doing some research and seeing how the squeeze potential is gonna happen, well, I'm gonna hold. I'm not selling nothing, because I mean I've just transferred all those assets over to my Fidelity, and my average cost now is only like 572, baby. Let's go. I'm good. We are in squeeze territory, okay, guys? Don't lose the sight of that. I know this journey has been very expensive, and it's been very tedious on a lot of you guys, and a lot of girls too, man. You guys are going through it. You girls are going through it. This is very stressful. I understand. I get it. I'm stressed too, even though I don't act like it. At the end of the day, I'm like, oh my God, but why? It's like, why you guys gotta be so dirty for, man? This ain't even right, bro. All we have to know is the time's going by. Tick, 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 tick. Just use this inspiration and just hold, baby. That's all you gotta do. We just gotta hold, because we don't gotta cover nothing. Remember that. We don't got to pay nothing extra unless you got margin. But, most of us don't got to worry about that, because a lot of you guys got in here, and girls got in late when they cut margin on it. They're not allowing margin on Robinhood on this one. It's like, if you, whatever available cash you got, that's what you got to invest. You got margin, but you can't invest all of it in it. So thank you. Robinhood's doing us a favor. Stop being mad at them. Tell them, hey, bro, you're hooking us up, man, because you're making sure we don't get overexposed. That's what they're doing. I mean, just think about that at the end of the day. Robinhood's hooking us up. They're keeping our exposure rate to a minimum. All right, the hedges, they're overexposed. Those man. Those ones are done. They got kerosene, some diesel, and some jet fuel. And they're like, light me up, bro. What's the worst thing I have? Let me get a cigarette. It's lit. Okay, they have to cover it. Okay, we don't. Okay, man, just remember that, man. But that's all I got for you guys, man. Just hold the thing. It's good, man. Just hold on, baby. And don't forget, this isn't a recommendation to buy or sell, but to add to your watch list. I just want you guys to know that I'm holding. I got this. I got a lot of shares and a lot of call options. And yes, I do got a handful of puts. You'd be a damn fool not to put no puts. But you know what? Smash that subscribe button and smash that like button, or whatever you guys want to do. I'm out, baby. God bless.